My name is Nate, and I am an avid global explorer. Today I'm in Seoul, South Korea, where I've come for a short visit. And you wouldn't believe in a metropolis like this, where you often find very high prices for accommodation, I got a place for just $15 per night. It's a short walk from here. This is Gangnam Station. Yeah, that Gangnam. By the way, just across the street, that is the global headquarters for Samsung. You would think, being one of the vibrant commercial hubs of the city, this would be an expensive spot to get accommodation. You'll be surprised to learn that I got a spot not far from here that is only $15 per night. I know what you're thinking, that must be one of those podunk little hostels with shared accommodation, maybe 16 beds to a room, but no, my friend, this is a private room closed off from everyone else that is only $15 per night. Quite the bargain, if I do say so myself. Now, let me show you what you can get for that price right here in South Korea's amazing capital city. Gangnam Station is conveniently located about 20 minutes away from the heart of the city, where you'll find palaces, temples, and city hall. But right here in Gangnam, you have a lot of the city's action. From shopping, dining, nightlife, cafes, a lot of the students come here and just have the time of their lives. Coming from the United States, I'm used to prices ranging between $50 and $150 per night for a private accommodation. That's if you're lucky. And then if you're going to pay for a shared accommodation in a hostel, let's say in New York, Washington, D.C., or Miami, you might pay anywhere between $20 and $40. But something like this place for $15 is really quite the bargain. Let me show you what I'm talking about. From Gangnam Station exit number 4, my room is a mere 8-minute walk away. Side note here, on the way over, you have to check out this neat little spot just on the side of the street. It's a combination of a Hyundai showroom and a coffee bean and tea leaf cafe. Pretty cool, huh? Here it is! No, I couldn't get a place in Domino's. They wouldn't rent to me. That's my humble abode. See? This is it. Core Livingtel. Right here. So we go up the stairs and enter the code. But first things first, we have to take off our shoes and put on some sandals. Welcome to my home away from home. Yep, this is it. My own private place right here in Seoul. It's spacious, it's clean, and it's downright practical. For only $15. It has its own single bed, which I can just fit into. And pretty comfortable, if you ask me. You have your comforter, pillow, and a window with a view to the street outside. Within the room, I have my own safety features, including an emergency flashlight and a fire alarm system. Oh, and your all-important fire extinguisher. Nothing like some early morning meditation. And once you're done with that, using your comfortable space between the bed and the desk, go to your personal mini fridge and grab a nice cold bottle of water. Yeah, that hit the spot. And when there's important work to be done, you've got the desk to do it. Or forget that, and just go back to rewatching all 8 episodes of Game of Thrones. Underneath your desk, you have plenty of charging, including additional outlets. Let's check out the personal storage. You have generous closet space for all of your personal belongings. Below the closet, you have all of this space in your drawers for your personal items, clothing, and at the very bottom, you even have your own fan. You can put this in day or night and have it running, especially on those hot summer days. Just above the desk, there are some additional storage areas, including several cupboards. I have some of my personal items here. Tissues and toilet paper, towels for the bathroom. Ooh, a little chocolate here. Yummy, yummy. I'll save that for later. And don't forget about your own hairdryer. Pretty cool. Right, so let's say that you realize too late that you packed way too much stuff for your trip to South Korea. Well, I've got some good news. Here at the very top, you've got some extra room. Let's say for your essential pasta sauce and spaghetti noodles. I can go a little pasta crazy from time to time.
Did I mention you have enough room for a workout in here? Well, just barely, but it's still pretty good. Oh, forget this. I'm going back to meditation.
At this point, I know you must be wondering, where's the toilet? It's right here. Yes, it's a shared bathroom, and this is Jaime. She's currently cleaning the restroom. These are shared amongst all of the residents here in the accommodation.
Sky.
Very cool. Fairly basic. You have your toilet seat, ventilation window, shower head, sink, and personal storage areas. Additionally, I would like to point out that upon arrival, I received some toiletries, including body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And the sizes are pretty generous. The toilets aren't the only shared space. The kitchen is for everyone as well. And this brings me to one of my favorite features, the free food. Let's start with a cabinet of instant ramen noodles. Oh yeah. And how about the free bread? Or the free rice? Or the unlimited kimchi? You've really got to take it easy on the kimchi though. It can be a little bit spicy. Whew. And of course, you can just stay hydrated at the watering hole here with purified hot and cold H2O. Oh, I almost forgot to mention one thing. You know how at most high-end hotels you have to pay an arm and a leg just to do a little bit of laundry? Well, not here, my friend, because the do-it-yourself laundry is completely free. Here's the washer, and here's the detergent. And here's the dryer. I can't let you go without showing you this amazing rooftop. And remember, all of this for just $15 per night. Well, between you and me, I got a special deal on Booking.com, so it was just $14 per night. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for me. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of my private $15 per night stay at Core Livingtel. And getting away from the room, I'm here to enjoy the main reason why I came here, to see the sights of Seoul. Until next time, I wish you and your loved ones many happy trails ahead. I'll see you again soon. Forgot, but I still have it. Yes, my little snack to go. It's a bit melted. It's good though.